Hi, Dr. Laura here. Have you ever had 2 days that looked almost the same, but one felt overwhelming and the other didn't? It wasn't the day, right? It's how your system is holding what's happening. When your nervous system is already carrying load, everything adds to it. But when it's more settled, more present, more calm, things move through instead of stacking up. Try this. Soften your breath. Let your shoulders drop. Pause in the present moment. You're not fixing the day. You're reducing your internal pressure. And when that pressure decreases, capacity begins to return. Just saying. Thank you and namaste.